Next question says, an increase in the demand for bubblegum might be caused by A, the fact that lying is now an unpopular activity. Not sure how that relates. B, the fact that blowing bubbles is now a popular activity. Or C, a decrease in the number of people chewing gum. An increase in the demand for bubblegum basically means there must be a positive influence on one of the determinants of demand. And so we know that one of the determinants of demand is consumer sentiments or consumer attitudes. And so if blowing bubbles is now a popular activity, then consumer sentiment or attitude towards bubblegum has increased, right? More people want to buy bubblegum because they want to be able to blow bubbles. And so that would be an explanation for why the demand for bubblegum might go up. So B is going to be the right answer here, and we can take a look at the previous tutor's answer. The previous tutor said, an increase in the demand for bubblegum might be caused by, so they're just repeating the question. An increase in demand arises when there's an increase in quantity demanded due to factors other than price. Therefore, when the blowing bubbles are now a popular activity, that causes more demand for bubblegum, leads to more demand for bubblegum at the prevailing price. This is due to the increase in popularity of blowing bubbles, but there's no increase in demand due to price changes. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Just want to note that an increase in demand refers to an increase in quantity demanded at all price levels, right? And so that's probably a better way of phrasing what the law, the way we understand demand shifting. And so that's just the one thing I want to correct, but otherwise it's a good answer. The next